Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the Yo again, in my eyes, is still down. I still think this is more likely an a B, and I think we're in a wave C. I think this is actually going to end up stretching out to about the 100% Fibonacci extension for an ABC correction, which I still think could be a wave 2 on the higher time frames. If I go up to the daily, we do have a break to the upside, and I think that we are going to be in an uptrend for several months now. I think if anything, this is just a correction within that uptrend, and eventually it's probably going to end up looking something along these lines right here. So bringing it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, how exactly corrections are going to play out on the 1 hour is not always the easiest thing to determine, but I do think that this is more likely going to end up pushing down to about the 100% for a wave C, which I think is just going to be a traditional ABC correction on this 1 hour time frame, a 5-3-5 pattern most likely. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.